Welcome to Book Bus Reviews and Summaries. Today, we are exploring a profound spiritual journey with the Discourse Summaries, talks from a 10-day course in Vipassana meditation by S.N. Goenka, condensed by William Hart. Imagine immersing yourself in 10 days of intense meditation, only to have the essence of those transformative teachings distilled into powerful, concise summaries. This book offers a unique opportunity to tap into the wisdom shared during a traditional Vipassana meditation course, renowned for its depth and rigor. S.N. Goenka, a revered teacher in the Vipassana tradition, presents teachings that address the fundamental nature of suffering and the path to inner peace through mindfulness and insight. Condensed by William Hart, these summaries provide clear, practical insights into the core principles of Vipassana, making them accessible whether you're a seasoned meditator or just beginning your journey. If you're looking to deepen your understanding of meditation and explore the transformative power of Vipassana, this book is your gateway. Let's dive into these profound teachings and discover how they can guide us towards greater self-awareness and inner tranquility. The meditation retreat, setting the scene. Imagine stepping into a serene retreat nestled in nature's embrace, where the only sounds are the whispering of leaves and the gentle hum of inner contemplation. Here, amidst the tranquility, participants embark on a 10-day journey into the depths of their own consciousness. S.N. Goenka, a revered teacher of Vipassana meditation, delivers a series of discourses that guide meditators through the intricacies of this ancient practice. William Hart's condensed summaries bring these teachings to life, offering readers an immersive experience into the world of Vipassana meditation. The book serves as a bridge between the intense, personal experience of a meditation retreat and the broader understanding of Goenka's teachings. Through Hart's summaries, readers can grasp the core principles and insights of Vipassana without the necessity of attending a retreat. The core teachings, a journey through the discourses. 1. The nature of suffering, understanding the first noble truth. The journey begins with an exploration of suffering, the first of the four noble truths. Goenka's discourse on this subject delves into the universal experience of dukkha, or suffering, and its various manifestations in our lives. Through Hart's summaries, readers encounter the profound realization that suffering is an inherent part of existence, yet it can be understood and transcended through the practice of Vipassana. Goenka explains that suffering arises from our attachment to transient pleasures and the aversion to discomfort. By observing the sensations in our bodies and understanding their impermanent nature, we can begin to break free from the cycle of craving and aversion that perpetuates our suffering. Hart's condensation captures this essential teaching, providing readers with a clear understanding of how awareness of suffering is the first step toward liberation. 2. The practice of awareness, cultivating mindfulness. As the course progresses, Goenka introduces the practice of mindfulness, or sati, as a key component of Vipassana meditation. Hart's summaries highlight the importance of cultivating a heightened awareness of bodily sensations and mental states. Goenka emphasizes the need for continuous, non-reactive observation to develop insight into the nature of our experiences. The discourse on mindfulness reveals how our habitual reactions to sensations, whether pleasant or unpleasant, create a cycle of attachment and aversion. By practicing mindfulness, we learn to observe sensations without reacting, thereby breaking the chains of conditioned responses. Hart's summaries effectively convey the significance of this practice in developing a deeper understanding of ourselves and our habitual patterns. 3. The law of impermanence, embracing change. One of the central teachings of Vipassana is the law of impermanence, or anicca. Goenka's discourses on this topic elucidate how everything in our experience is in a constant state of flux. Hart's summaries capture the essence of Goenka's message that recognizing the impermanent nature of all sensations is crucial for overcoming suffering. The discourse on impermanence emphasizes that our attachment to transient experiences leads to suffering, while understanding their fleeting nature brings liberation. Through mindfulness and observation, we come to see that all phenomena, whether physical sensations or mental states, are temporary. Hart's condensed version of this teaching provides readers with a powerful insight into how embracing impermanence can lead to inner peace. 4. The practice of equanimity, cultivating inner balance. Equanimity, or upeksha, is another key teaching in Vipassana meditation. Goenka's discourses on equanimity explore the importance of maintaining a balanced and calm mind amidst the fluctuations of sensory experiences. Hart's summaries highlight how developing equanimity allows practitioners to respond to sensations with detachment and clarity. The practice of equanimity involves cultivating a sense of inner balance and impartiality, regardless of the nature of the sensations we experience. By observing sensations without attachment or aversion, we can maintain a state of mental stability and peace. Hart's condensation of Goenka's teachings provides readers with practical advice on how to integrate equanimity into their meditation practice and daily life. The transformation, insights from the meditative journey. As the discourse summaries unfold, readers are guided through the transformative process of Vipassana meditation. Hart's summaries capture the essence of Goenka's teachings on how meditation leads to profound insights and personal transformation. The journey through the discourses reveals the gradual process of awakening to the nature of reality and the development of inner freedom. 5. The role of sensations, understanding the body-mind connection. Goenka's teachings emphasize the role of bodily sensations in the meditative process. Through his discourses, Hart elucidates how sensations serve as the focal point for developing insight into the nature of our minds and bodies. Observing sensations without reacting allows practitioners to gain a deeper understanding of the interplay between physical and mental phenomena. The discourse on sensations explores how our habitual reactions to physical sensations reflect deeper mental patterns. By observing these reactions and their impermanent nature, we can gain insight into the root causes of our suffering. Hart's summaries provide readers with a clear understanding of how the practice of observing sensations leads to greater self-awareness and liberation. 6. The importance of self-discipline, cultivating a consistent practice. Self-discipline is a crucial aspect of the Vipassana meditation practice, and Goenka's discourses emphasize the need for commitment and consistency. Hart's summaries highlight how adhering to the meditation schedule and maintaining a disciplined practice are essential for realizing the benefits of Vipassana. The discourse on self-discipline reveals how the structure of the meditation retreat, characterized by silence, solitude, and a rigorous schedule, supports the process of inner transformation. Hart's condensation of this teaching underscores the importance of commitment and perseverance in achieving meaningful progress in meditation. 7. The impact of Vipassana, personal stories and transformations. Throughout the discourses, Goenka shares personal stories and experiences of individuals who have undergone profound transformations through Vipassana meditation. Hart's summaries capture these narratives, illustrating the real-life impact of the practice on individuals from diverse backgrounds. These stories provide readers with concrete examples of how Vipassana meditation has led to significant changes in people's lives. From overcoming deep-seated fears and anxieties to experiencing a sense of profound inner peace, the personal accounts serve as powerful testimonials to the effectiveness of the practice. Hart's condensation of these stories offers readers inspiration and motivation to embark on their own meditative journey. The practical guide, integrating teachings into everyday life. While the discourse summaries focuses on the teachings of a 10-day meditation course, Hart's summaries also offer practical guidance on integrating these principles into everyday life. The book provides readers with actionable advice on how to apply the insights gained from meditation to their daily routines and interactions. 8. Applying mindfulness in daily life. Hart's summaries emphasize the importance of extending mindfulness beyond the meditation cushion and into everyday activities. By incorporating mindfulness into daily routines, individuals can cultivate a greater sense of awareness and presence in their lives. The book provides practical tips on how to maintain mindfulness while engaging in routine tasks, interactions, and decision-making. 9. Cultivating equanimity in challenging situations. The practice of equanimity is not limited to meditation but can also be applied to challenging situations in daily life. Hart's summaries offer guidance on how to maintain inner balance and composure in the face of difficulties and conflicts. By applying the principles of equanimity, individuals can navigate life's challenges with greater clarity and resilience. The legacy of Goenka's teachings, A Path to Inner Peace. As the book concludes, readers are left with a profound appreciation for the teachings of S.N. Goenka and the transformative power of Vipassana meditation. William Hart's condensed summaries offer a valuable resource for those seeking to understand and apply the principles of Vipassana in their own lives. 10. The Continuing Journey, Embracing the Path of Vipassana. The journey of Vipassana meditation is ongoing, and the teachings shared in the discourse summaries serve as a guide for those who wish to continue exploring the path. Hart's book encourages readers to embrace the practice with dedication and openness, recognizing that the journey toward inner peace and liberation is a lifelong endeavor. In reflecting on the legacy of Goenka's teachings, readers are reminded of the profound impact that Vipassana meditation can have on their lives. The book serves as a testament to the power of self-discovery and the potential for personal transformation through the practice of mindfulness and equanimity. Final thoughts, a gateway to inner transformation. The discourse summaries, Talks from a 10-day course in Vipassana meditation condensed by William Hart is a powerful and enlightening guide to the teachings of S.N. Goenka. Through Hart's engaging summaries, readers gain a deep understanding of the principles and practices of Vipassana meditation. The book offers a valuable resource for those seeking to explore the transformative potential of meditation and apply its insights to their own lives. With its rich narrative and practical guidance, the book serves as a gateway to the profound teachings of Vipassana and a source of inspiration for those on the path to inner peace and self-discovery. As we close the pages of this insightful guide, we are left with a renewed sense of clarity and purpose, ready to embark on our own journey of transformation and enlightenment. Read the book to learn more, and if you enjoy my content, consider subscribing to support the channel and stay updated on future uploads. Thank you.